Alright. Between my cursing and my videotaping skills, I just tried to do this like 2 times and I'm not going to press record again. So, shakedown run on the bike was running great. Bike started cutting out. And it started cutting out when I started trying to get on it right before the Robert Moses Bridge. Started cutting out. Great place for that to happen. Anyway, I thought it was a gas issue. Maybe I was running low. Hit it to reserve, hit it off real quick, and then put it back on just to suck the air and draw more fuel back down to it. Bike still did it. Got back to the house. Knew it was an electrical issue. Thought it was a wire I'd cut back. I still don't know where the fuck I'm supposed to look on here. Cross-eyed as it is. Right here. Anyway, thought it was up here to a wire I'd cut back and never wired into the switch for the horn. Didn't get to that point. Yeah, gotta do that. But ended up turning out being this fucking brand new key switch. I got it from Lowbrow. Not blaming them. These things, it's stock style switches. I think they're pieces of shit. I love Lowbrow, don't worry. But I noticed if I jiggle a switch, oh, look at that. Oh my God. Ooh. So, it's fucked. So let's take this key switch off. I have some old ones. Let's see if I could. I wanna get the video in. This thing won't go any lower. Please, I don't want to ruin this video. Okay. Let's see. I don't know how that's going to work because I don't know if I could flip the video on the fucking when I try to upload it. Jesus Christ. Alright. I'm gonna have to learn how to splice videos together. I'm not explaining this again. Jesus Christ. We're switching this this fucking thing out. This key switch off this 81FX that I love so much. I do love this bike. Okay, let's see. Go and put the original one back on because the one I bought and installed on this thing is fucking up. I taped this cocksucker up good. I don't want to run it. I hate running a knife through places with wire. There you go. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Hold on. Alrighty. So, oh, and I did all the wire in the same color. Nice, James. It's alright. I can figure this out. This is simple wiring. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but alright. So, got my 3 green wires coming down, all the same color, because that's how we roll around here. These are pretty simple. This is battery, ignition, and lights. Now the battery is going to have power running through it right now, so we just got to be careful with that one. If I can hook that up while it's right there, it'd be cool. So it's not all. Oh, fuck it. Jesus Christ, what am I, retarded? I can't see straight. I can't. There we go. All right, this one's for the lights. I need to figure out good video program fucking editing stuff. Because these videos, like, if you gotta splice them, I don't know how to do that. I just don't want to. The reason I'm doing this like this, trying to shove this in there while I'm still working on the thing, so I don't lose the wiring. Now, this ain't how you're really supposed to do this. You should always disconnect the battery anytime you're gonna work on a bike. Jesus fuck's sake. All right. I'm just gonna take this one off just to help me give me room. So the ignition. I mean, if I hook it up wrong, I'll figure it out. If I could do this. This battery ignition has a fucking thing in it. I need that screwdriver. That's why it's nice having old parts laying around. Now the one in my hand has juice going through it. I want to try to hook this up. Not have it grounded. Fucking hit nothing. Jesus Christ. I can't get. I need someone with fucking like. I need. The fucking tack is going up there. Jesus. I'm so unprofessional. Oofa. Goddamn. Now, if you know me, you know why that's scary. See how quick I got my shit right now. One time burnt my garage down working on a bike, so You can imagine what just went through me. Alright, let's see. Now I gotta do the ignition. And that still has... You know what I didn't look at? The direction I want these fucking wires. Oh, that's nice. I think the key's still on. Alright, well, hooking up the ignition one now. And the lights. Not really a tutorial or how-to video. More watch me work on my shit. Almost burned down my fucking garage. Set my bike on fire. I need... Am I missing one? Oh, here it is. Last screw. This is for the lights. And I'm pretty sure I wanted the wires facing that way. Then I want to make sure I tape it up and everything to keep them away from the fender and keep shit from getting on them. Man, imagine being like a doctor, surgeon, where a fuck up like that could have killed someone. My line draw ain't terrible though. This wire move. I know my head's in the way. I don't give. Jesus Christ. Working on the floor sucks. Fucking knee hurts. Alright. Now, we're not trying to ground it out on anything. Headlight, headlight. You see a headlight? Jiggle key like before. Jiggling the key. It stays on. Everyone's happy. You know? Now, I'm going to take this son of a bitch out. I got to pull this off, to get this off, we should open this up. Include that in the video and see exactly where this went wrong. Let's do that. But we take that up and get this installed first. You know, sometimes things do work like you want them to. Now, that came off a lot easier. Let me grab some tape. Now, I don't know how old this ignition switch is I just put on here. Thought I was going to do a good thing by replacing it, but obviously not. You tape this fucker up. Just so nothing's exposed that could arc in the event of something rubbing. Loop around here, trying to make it somewhat fucking fuck. Which way did I want this now? Put it like that, because that way it feels comfortable. Alright. Alright. Okie smoky. Put the black one on. I'm gonna either wire up two, either I want to wire up two switches like I did on that bike for the ignition and lights, or I'm gonna find a good one to buy. 'Cause I don't want this happening again. This is what it's about, man. You find what works and what doesn't. I'm gonna shove that bitch back up in there. Let me get some Loctite. Do the Loctite. Do the Loctite, baby. I gotta buy some blue Loctite. Just a little dab's all you need. We're gonna add red Loctite to this too. Now, I don't care if I scratch this. Jesus fuck. Alright. So unprofessional how I do things at time. Unprofessional the way I talk all times. Alright. Now, We don't want the Loctite. We don't want the Loctite running down on here. So if you're gonna put it on, be you know. Ah, fuck. As I'm telling you guys, whatever. I was just gonna put a little bit on the nut, and I put way too much on. Wasting Loctite. This is not what the good Lord intended me to do today on this Sunday. Just waste fucking Loctite. Think he'll forgive me though. Let me crank this tight. I like to do this with a screwdriver and just tap it. We're gonna do it like that. Cause we got a lot of Loctite on that. Alright, that's tight. That's tight. That's what's up. My dad's old key back on it with the fucking Max spark plug. We got ignition. We got lights. We got lights that don't turn off. That's what I'm talking about. Works like Jesus intended it to work today on this fucking Sunday. The devil almost had me at the start of that bridge. Oh Lord, we were not gonna let that happen today. Nope. That's where the bike started fucking up, at the start of the bridge. See, it wouldn't be that big of a deal anywhere else, but in New York State, people just run you over. Alright, fuck that guy. Yay. Alright. Hopefully next ride don't kill me.